Poison suspected in death of Jamaican and elderly patient in the United States. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Authorities are continuing with their probe of the death of an elderly woman and her Jamaican caregiver from suspected carbon monoxide poison in the United States on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as 38-year-old Tanya McKinley of St. Catherine, Jamaica, and 91-year-old Darius Garisby of United States. Tanya McKinley was unrelated to the female 91-year-old Darius Garisby, as she was just her caregiver, according to a report. The names of the Jamaican and the elderly woman were released on Sunday, the same day emergency crew tried to determine the cause of the dangerous level of carbon monoxide found inside the home. Police Chief Richard Howe told the media outlet that the deaths of the women were reported around 10:45 a.m. on Saturday after family members arrived at the home to check on the residents and discovered that the women were unresponsive. The police chief further added that the deaths are suspected to be from carbon monoxide poison based on the findings of the fire department. The police chief also took the time to express condolences to the family of both women, describing the incident as an absolute tragedy. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this story. This has been Links 007 TV. Thanks for watching.